Hello friends, today's topic total value of government stakes in PSU 46 lakh crores. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Usually every year the central government requires money for various development and welfare activities. Apart from income from taxes, borrowings, the government also collects some money from selling stake in PSUs. Since the valuation of PSUs has gone up significantly the last 2 years, the government may be looking forward to selling a small stake in many companies. The total value of union government stake in PSU is around 46 lakh crores. Around 23 lakh crores are held in financial PSUs and other 23 lakh crores are held in non-financial PSUs. Following is the value of holdings in some large non-financial PSUs. Government stake in non-financial PSUs. 1. NTPC 1.87 lakh crores. 2. HAL 2.52 lakh crores. 3. ONGC 2.03 lakh crores. 4. Coal India 1.84 lakh crores. 5. Power Grid Corporation 1.58 lakh crores. 6. IOC 1.2 lakh crores. 7. BEL 1.14 lakh crores. 8. IRFC 1.96 lakh crores. 9. GAIL 74,921 crores. 10. BPCL 69,864 crores. 11. BHEL 66,175 crores. 12. NHPC 68,178 crores. 13. IRCTC 49,383 crores. 14. Rail Vikas Nigam 63,270 crores. 15. Mazagaon Dock 73,253 crores. 16. Sale 39,910 crores. 17. Cochin Shipyard 42,459 crores. 18. Hindustan Copper 20,383 crores. 19. Container Corporation 34,805 crores. 20. National Aluminium 17,622 crores. 21. Ircon International 16,527 crores. In many of these companies, the government holds around 60 to 70% stake and hence they can easily dilute till around 51 to 55% to be majority shareholders while still gathering money for government spending. So in the years to come, there will be dilution in the government stake in many companies. Apart from this, the government has stake in PSU banks and financial institutions. In many financial PSUs as well, the government holds more than 70%. So gradually, every year, to help them improve their revenue, they can target to sell stake in different PSUs. When the government sells stakes, there will be short-term negative impact on the share price of the company since there will be excess supply of shares in the market. Many of the PSU stocks appreciated recently since government and institutions hold majority stake and hence the number of shares floating in the market is lesser than the demand for those shares. So far, the PSU divestment targets for the government have been quite small, such as around 30 to 50,000 crores per year. However, as and when the value of the government's stake rises, government may plan to raise more money from divestment of their stake. Let us hope that the government can use the money for various development activities to make the life of all citizens more comfortable in the future. End of the video, here is the question. What is the government's target for defense exports by 2028-29? There are 4 choices in front of you. A. Rupees 50,000 crores. B. Rupees 65,000 crores. C. 80,000 crores. D. 1 lakh crores. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.